Every summer, millions of Americans cross a towering structure that rises high above the waters of Maryland, connecting communities that were once separated by hours of travel. For more than 70 years, this engineering giant has served as a vital transportation lifeline, transformed regional economies, and become one of the most recognizable landmarks in the United States. Yet despite its iconic status, its future has never been more uncertain. Growing traffic, aging infrastructure, and ambitious plans for a multi-billion-dollar replacement are raising a question few thought they would ever ask. Is the legendary Chesapeake Bay Bridge approaching the end of its life? Before the Chesapeake Bay Bridge existed, crossing the bay was a slow and often frustrating experience. Travelers heading from Baltimore, Annapolis, and Washington to Maryland's eastern shore relied on ferries that were limited in capacity and frequently affected by weather. During busy summer weekends and holidays, long vehicle queues often formed as travelers waited for a chance to cross. As automobile ownership surged during the first half of the 20th century, demand grew for a permanent crossing. The eastern shore contained valuable farmland, growing communities, and popular coastal destinations, but transportation limitations constrained economic growth. Recognizing the need for a fixed link, Maryland began pursuing plans for a bridge across the bay. Construction started in the late 1940s and quickly became one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in the state's history. When the original Chesapeake Bay Bridge opened in July 1952, it revolutionized travel throughout the region. Journeys that once depended on lengthy ferry trips could now be completed in a fraction of the time. The bridge's success exceeded expectations. As Maryland's population expanded and tourism increased, traffic volumes continued to rise, eventually leading to the opening of a second parallel span in 1973. Together, the twin spans transformed transportation in the state, boosting tourism, encouraging development, strengthening regional connections, and helping integrate Maryland's eastern shore with the rest of the state. The bridge did far more than cross the bay. It reshaped Maryland itself. Before we continue, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like this video, as it's the best way to support this channel. When the original Chesapeake Bay Bridge opened, it was celebrated as one of the most impressive engineering achievements in the United States. Stretching approximately 4.3 miles across the bay, it was among the longest over-water bridges in the world at the time. The structure combined multiple bridge types to navigate the unique challenges of the Chesapeake Bay. High-level suspension spans and cantilever sections allowed large ships to pass beneath the bridge while maintaining a continuous roadway connection. Engineers had to contend with deep water, strong currents, harsh weather conditions, and the logistical difficulties of constructing far from shore. Building the bridge required enormous quantities of steel and concrete. Workers spent years erecting towers, installing foundations, and assembling massive structural components in one of the most challenging construction environments on the East Coast. The project cost approximately $45 million, a staggering figure for its era. The bridge's scale and appearance quickly made it an icon. Rising nearly 200 feet above the shipping channel, it offered dramatic views of the Chesapeake Bay while providing a vital transportation corridor. Millions of motorists crossed it every year as traffic volume steadily increased alongside the state's growing population. The bridge also became famous for another reason: fear. Many drivers found the crossing intimidating due to its height, narrow lanes, and exposure to strong winds. Its reputation as one of America's scariest bridges only cemented its legendary status. For decades, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge performed exactly as intended, supporting economic growth and regional connectivity. But as the 21st century progressed, the bridge began showing signs that it was struggling to keep up with modern demands. Although the Chesapeake Bay Bridge remains structurally sound and continues to receive regular maintenance, it was designed for a very different era. The transportation demands of the 1950s and 1970s bear little resemblance to those of today. Traffic congestion has become one of the bridge's most visible problems. During peak summer weekends, backups often stretch for miles on both sides of the crossing, turning what should be a relatively short trip into a lengthy ordeal for travelers heading to Maryland's eastern shore. The bridge also lacks several features considered essential by modern highway standards. Limited shoulders leave little room for disabled vehicles or emergency response operations, meaning even minor incidents can create major delays. Aging infrastructure presents another challenge. While extensive maintenance programs have kept the bridge operational, maintaining a 70-year-old structure over saltwater is increasingly expensive and complex. Corrosion, wear and tear, and environmental exposure require constant attention from engineers and maintenance crews. At the same time, Maryland's population, tourism industry, freight movement, and residential development have grown dramatically, placing far greater demands on the crossing than planners originally anticipated. State officials have concluded that maintenance alone may not provide a long-term solution. While repairs can extend the bridge's lifespan, they cannot fully address capacity limitations or modern transportation needs. As a result, Maryland began exploring whether an entirely new crossing may ultimately be necessary, launching one of the most significant infrastructure planning efforts in the state's history. In response to growing transportation challenges, Maryland launched the Chesapeake Bay Crossing Study to evaluate long-term solutions for crossing the bay. The study examined a range of options, including upgrades to the existing bridge, entirely new crossings, and combinations of both approaches. Over time, planners increasingly focused on replacement concepts rather than simple expansions. While continued maintenance could keep the existing bridge operational, it would not fully address growing concerns related to capacity, safety, congestion, and future traffic demand. The leading vision involves constructing entirely new bridge spans built to modern engineering standards. These structures would likely feature wider lanes, full shoulders, enhanced safety systems, and significantly greater traffic capacity. With an estimated cost of $15 billion to $17 billion, the project would rank among the largest transportation investments in Maryland's history. Rather than simply replicating the existing crossing, engineers envision a modern transportation corridor capable of serving the state for decades. Advanced monitoring technology, improved structural resilience, and better emergency access would be incorporated into the design. However, building a new bridge across the Chesapeake Bay would be an enormous undertaking, requiring years of environmental reviews, permitting, design work, and construction. Because the bay is one of the most environmentally sensitive waterways in the United States, every aspect of the project would face intense scrutiny. Perhaps the most dramatic aspect of the proposal concerns the fate of the existing bridge. If replacement spans are eventually built, the current Chesapeake Bay Bridge would likely become redundant. Maintaining both old and new crossings indefinitely would be costly and operationally inefficient, making demolition of the existing bridges a likely outcome. The demolition itself would be a mega project. Dismantling a bridge stretching more than 4 miles across a major waterway would require careful coordination around shipping traffic, environmental regulations, and public safety. Massive steel sections would likely be removed piece by piece, while concrete components would need to be dismantled without harming the surrounding ecosystem. Recycling would also play an important role, with thousands of tons of steel and other materials potentially reused in future projects. Even so, dismantling a bridge of this size would likely require years of work and hundreds of millions of dollars. For many Maryland residents, the prospect of losing the bridge is difficult to imagine. Yet if the replacement project moves forward, the eventual removal of one of the state's most iconic landmarks may become unavoidable. Not surprisingly, the proposed replacement has generated significant debate. The most obvious concern is cost. With an estimated price tag exceeding $15 billion, critics argue that the money could potentially fund a broader range of transportation improvements across Maryland. Environmental concerns are equally significant. The Chesapeake Bay is one of North America's most important ecosystems, And environmental groups worry about potential impacts on water quality, fisheries, wetlands, and wildlife habitats. As a result, any major construction project in the region is expected to face rigorous environmental scrutiny. Some residents also question whether expanding road capacity will truly solve congestion. Critics point to the concept of induced demand, arguing that additional lanes may eventually attract more traffic, providing only temporary relief. Political disagreements have further complicated discussions, as communities, businesses, environmental organizations, and government agencies often have competing priorities for the future of the crossing. Supporters, however, argue that the benefits are substantial. A modern bridge could improve safety through wider lanes, better shoulders, and enhanced emergency access, while reducing delays during peak travel periods. Improved transportation links could also boost tourism, freight movement, business investment, and regional connectivity. Construction would generate thousands of jobs, and supporters believe replacing aging infrastructure now is a smarter long-term investment than waiting until major problems emerge. Despite the growing debate, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge is not disappearing anytime soon. The replacement project remains in the planning and environmental review stages, and construction is unlikely to begin before the 2030s. However, Maryland faces a pivotal decision. For more than 70 years, the bridge has transformed transportation, supported economic growth, and become one of the state's most recognizable landmarks. Yet as traffic demands continue to grow and infrastructure ages, officials must determine whether preserving this iconic crossing remains practical or whether replacing it is the best way to prepare Maryland for the future.